Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Did the past few weeks just literally fly by for anyone else, or was it just me? Because I don't even know where the time went. Like, I literally blinked and Christmas and New Year's were over. So I hope you guys had an amazing holiday and a happy new year. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, thank you for watching. So for my first makeup tutorial for 2018, I decided to go for a sparkly, kind of glam-ish kind of look, more for like going out as opposed to like your everyday. I mean, you could wear this every day if you wanted to, you know, you do you, boo-boo, get it, girl. But if not, this is more of like a going out kind of look. I feel like I could have done this as like a New Year's tutorial. I did not have any time to do New Year's tutorials. I was, girl, it was crazy. But yeah, so this is what we have going on today. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this look. If you guys wanna see how to get it, then just keep watching. Hey girl! Okay, so first we're going to start off with the Rimmel London Magnif'eyes Blush Edition palette, and I'm just taking this pale pinky mauve tone shade and I'm just going to run it back and forth through the crease and upper crease. This will be our transition shade. I'm using my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. Then I'm going to go into this deeper brown, kind of like a rich chocolatey brown shade on my Morphe M514 brush. And we're just going to deepen up the outer V with this and also run it slightly through the crease, kind of letting it gradient from the outer corner to the inner corner. So I went ahead and cut my crease with some concealer, but I'm just going to go ahead and take this silvery taupey shade and we're just going to pack that all over the entire lid. I'm then just going to deepen up that outer V a little bit more. So I'm mixing these two shades here and we're just going to pack that onto the outer V and then kind of blend it up towards that outer portion of the crease. Once again, letting it gradient through the inner corner, but not taking it all the way through. Now for the glitter, my favorite part, if you couldn't tell. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner, and they come in a ton of different shades. They're so pretty, and I just love them. They're so easy to use, too, and they dry relatively quickly, too. So I'm just going to go ahead and just apply that all over the entire lid area. Sorry if I'm out of frame. I didn't realize it until after, but yeah, we're just applying that all over the lid area. Okay, so now for our wings, I'm going in with the Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. This is by Rimmel. It's in the shade Rich Brown, and I've been going with half wings lately. I don't take it all the way through anymore. I just feel like a half wing looks just better on my eye shape. So we're just going to go ahead and apply this first, and then I'm taking my Sigma E06 winged liner brush to smooth everything out and really get that wing on point and on fleek, girl. And then we're just going to clean up that line a little bit more with just some extra concealer that I had left over on this brush that I used earlier. Alright, so for mascara, I'm going with the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. Just going to be coating the upper lashes first, and we'll just coat the lower lashes later on in the video after I do the face makeup. Okay, so moving on to the face, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This one's in the shade Y255, and we're just going to dot this all over my face, and I'm blending it out with a damp beauty blender. A lot of you guys tend to ask me if I use my beauty blender damp or dry. I always use it damp, like when I'm blending out foundation, when I'm blending out concealer, if I'm applying my powder that I'm using to bake. I do use it damp for all purposes. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and pat that on out. Ooh, I feel like we have a lot of Urban Decay going on this video too. But this is the new Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I'm using the shade Fair, which is, I believe, the lightest shade, if not the shade above the lightest shade. I just like a really, really bright under eye, so that's why I'm using the super duper light shade. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it and then blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Okay, so next to Shake and Bake, I'm using the Rimmel London Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder. This is the first time, or the second time actually, that I've tried it, and I actually really like this one. This one's really good. I don't get any flashback. I tried using it with flash photography just to see, and I don't get any flashback. So this one's a really good setting powder if you're looking for a drugstore alternative. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bake the under eye area, bake any areas that I would tend to crease in, and then clean up my contour area as well, and then we'll go ahead and dust that off with a fluffy brush. Okay, so for a bronzer, I'm using the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. I am obsessed with the Rimmel Natural Bronzers. They have a few different shades. This one is in the shade Sunlight. I usually use Sun Bronze, I believe it is. That one is like my all-time favorite, but I ran out of that one, so we're using Sunlight today, which is very similar, and we're just gonna go ahead and bronze the skin anywhere the sun would naturally hit. Next to contour, we're going to get fancy. We're using the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow Sculpt and Highlight Kit or palette. And then we're going to go ahead and just contour underneath the cheekbones. I'm going to get the perimeter of the face, forehead, nose as well. I always like to contour my nose. I just feel like I look weird if I don't. So we're going to contour that nose. Then I'm taking the highlight shade and I'm just going to run that down the bridge of the nose just for a little bit of highlight. Okay, so next I'm going in with the Urban Decay Afterglow blush in the shade Fetish. It's kind of like a mauve tone. I know it looks a little bit more on the lighter pink side, but in person it looks more like a mauvier pink shade. And we're just going to put that on the apples of the cheeks. And then for our highlights, we're going to be going in with the PUR Cosmetics Quick Pro Highlight Palette, and I'm just going to mix these 3 shades together and apply that to the high points of the cheeks, down the bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead, and we're just going to get our highlights going, get real lit. So then I'm going back in with that Magnif'eyes palette by Rimmel, and I'm taking the mauve shade and running that along the lower lash line, and then I'm going back in with that eye definer that I used before and just defining the outer third of my lower lash line, and then I'm taking the darker shade in that palette and then applying that right over that just to set it and then blend it out a little bit. Just going to finish up the lower lashes with mascara, and then I'm also taking this more frostier shade from that palette and I'm applying it to the inner corners and also the high point of the brow just so we can get a nice highlight going on there. And then for lips, I'm combining these 3 babies here. I'm first just going to line the lips with the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses Stay On Lip Contouring Pencil. This one's in the shade Natural. We're just going to line and we're also going to fill in. And then over top of that, we're going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Mocha. This is a really gorgeous peachy nude. I love it. And then for a little extra dimension on the lips, we're going in with the G-Way Lip Topper in Skinny Dip. And this is the final look. Okay, so that's going to be it for this makeup tutorial. What do you guys think of the look? Do you guys like it? If you're going to try it out, tag me, hashtag me. I love to see your guys' recreations. And if you make videos here on YouTube, let me know. I want to see your video too. And yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing holiday. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you liked it. And subscribe if you're new. Hey girl, hey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we don't lose each other. YouTube is just getting so crazy lately. And I don't want to lose you, girl. So hit that subscribe button. Also, if you are subscribed, there's a little bell next to the subscribe button that you can hit if you want to stay up to date with all my new videos. It's a whole new year, girl. I know I slacked last year. Things got kind of crazy, kind of hectic. I started school last year, so things just have been super busy. I graduate in May though, so it shouldn't be too crazy this year, but I am going to be trying to get more involved with my YouTube channel again. I miss you guys so much, and I really want to make more videos for you guys and interact with you guys a lot more this year. So if you hit that bell, you can stay up to date on all my new videos and stay current with everything. So yeah, I think that's going to be it. I hope you guys had an amazing new year and an amazing holiday season. I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.